Want to speed up your UI design in Figma? Here's how to use the Relume UI Kit in under 90 seconds. Go to the relume.io/dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Figma Library. Here, you'll see the Relume Figma Kit listed as the first option. Click on Open in Figma, and it'll redirect you to figma.com. Now once it loads, you'll see the entire Relume Figma Kit with over 5,431 pre-built components. These include navigation bars, heroes, testimonials, footers, and much more. You can zoom in, explore each component, and start customizing everything, from text and colors to layout and images. Everything is built with auto layout and Figma variants, so editing and swapping out sections is incredibly easy. Once you've customized your components, you can stack them together to build out full web pages. It's perfect for wireframes, mockups, or even full high-fidelity designs. That's it! That's how easy it is to get started with the Relume Figma Kit. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.